Hey, what's going on, everybody? I just wanted to create a quick video about the updates on the animal farm. I'm not going to do anything too in detailed or too in depth. I just wanted to put out a quick alert. But before I get going, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell to be notified of upcoming videos. All right, so it looks like Forex Shark posted in his Telegram. So it says, we have completed all of our scripted and automated testing and are doing a dry run today, employing all the new contracts, wire them to the front end and open it up for the final manual testing to our admins. We know everyone wants it live right now, and we are moving as fast as we can while maintaining extreme diligence. We have also been super diligent, which is why even if we hit a bump in the road, capital is always protected. But we brought on a new dev specifically for quality control, and we are prepared to take this to the next level. On Thursday, we are given an official launch date for the following week, as all our testing will have been completed, and we will have nothing left to do but promote and get everyone prepared. All right, the new drip UI is built, and we have a major third-party raise prepared for the DAO. The NFT scratch ticket protocol is right around the corner, and I could not be more excited for that. We have only just begun. All right, so that is the latest. Let's pull this up on Twitter real quick. Should be very similar to the same thing. So yeah, so in the drip community main Twitter account, it just says, we have completed all our scripted, documented, automated testing and doing a dry run today, employing all new contracts, wiring them to the front end, and open it up for the final manual testing to our admins. So on Thursday, we will be given an official launch date. So stay tuned to Thursday, guys. So that's where we're at. All right, hopefully that was helpful. Have a good one, guys.